Are you excited, Teddy? So I'm going to start unboxing my parcel from Taobao. Ay, my mouth dirty. Sorry. First package. Oh, my back strap of the bag that I ordered. I'll be showing it to you guys in a while for girls, because no guys will actually watch this kind of video, right? Second package. Even. Ta-da-da-da! The facelift sticker over videos that you always use to tape on their face. I decided to buy it and try it. This is the secret to my facelift technique. Semi-permanent, no pain, but that's cool. This is a ready-made one knitted bag, where this back strap will be going with this. Oh, it's so small. So this is the original strap. I thought this would be bigger, but never mind. It's more than enough. Oh, there is this type of yarn that I'm supposed to make the bag myself. It's a different design, but this purple didn't look so nice in real life compared to the one on the picture. But okay, never mind, we'll try it. And I'm not even sure when I'll start this, but okay. Yay! Wigs! Ha ha ha! I'm going to transform myself every day. I bought 3. I mean, it always looks good on pictures, but well, I'm very impressed with the sculpt workmanship. It's really nice. And here I'm just going to tie my hair temporarily to try it. Clip my fringe. I'll be back. So I'm back! Oh my god, it's so nice! It looks so natural. Suddenly I've become damn chill. I haven't had this kind of hairline for like the longest time, and even if I do, I could never make it like so bobbly and smooth and in shape. I love this wig! Oh my god, I'm gonna wear it. I don't really care whether the weather is hot, because short wigs are still okay. I'm gonna cut this off. Pink, purplish, short bob wig. Okay, let's try it on. Oh, look at this. I don't have to bleach my hair again. I'm me again. Those of you who have known me for quite some time, I always bleach my hair and change my hair color every time my hair starts growing out, and I find it a chore because I don't like to sit too long in the salon. Now I have this wig. It's me again. I love it, and my hair strands are so soft. It doesn't look fake. It doesn't feel fake. Oh. So this is how it looks with glasses, without. But this part is a bit airy, so I probably need to flatten it down. Okay, I decided to put on the wig cap. Last but not least, this is how it looks. Okay, let me comb it. Outside the back. I would never have every fringe like this. So much hair over. This one is a little bit too poofy, but well, if life gets too real, unreal it. See you for the next one.